Hey you, if you love bread, baking, or just want to level up your cooking game, let me introduce you to your next obsession, naan bread. It's soft, flavorful, quick to make, and made with just a few simple ingredients. And the best part, it works with just about everything. Curries, hummus, wraps, flatbread, pizzas, you name it. Naan bread goes way back to ancient Persia before becoming a beloved staple in Indian, Pakistani, and Afghan cuisine. In fact, the word naan comes from the Persian word for bread. So today, we're making this classic from scratch in a way that's simple, approachable, and seriously delicious. Let's get into it. To start, let's make the dough. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Then add about 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt and mix everything together until a dough starts to form. Once it comes together, knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. If it feels a little too dry, just add a tiny splash of water at a time until it reaches the right consistency. You want it soft, workable, and ready to rest. Now, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. This step is super important because it gives the dough time to relax and helps keep it from drying out. After it's rested, divide the dough into 6 to 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball, then flatten it into a round or oval shape. Don't worry about making them perfect. Rustic is part of the charm. Meanwhile, heat the skillet or griddle over medium to high heat and lightly grease it with olive oil. Now for the fun part. Place the naan onto the hot skillet and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. You'll start to see it puff up and get those gorgeous golden brown spots. Flip it over and cook the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden and cooked through. And just like that, you've gotten homemade naan bread that's warm, fluffy, and better than anything store-bought. If you want to take it up a notch, brush the top with a little melted butter right after cooking. Serve it warm with your favorite curry, dip, or even use it as the base for a flatbread pizza. However you eat it, this naan is gonna disappear fast. And if you made it this far, you already know this recipe is one you're gonna wanna make again and again and again. Simple ingredients, easy steps, and seriously great results. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know how yours turns out.